Good morning, everyone. Just want to show you what is happening today with the Traders Compounding Console. Today, actually, so far this morning, I've missed all the trades, so I'm just going to have to go wait. I'm not going to jump into anything and make mistakes because this thing can compound the wrong way. But if you look here, we also have a new feature or a new indicator. It's called the color change dashboard, and it works independently of this, but I've installed it both on the same chart along with market regime. And what it does is it'll tell you what the color change is currently on the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 60 minutes, H4, and daily time frame. So you see here, we're in 5 minutes is red. These should also be red. Oops, I'm looking at the wrong one here. H1 is red. H4 is still green. It's not updated. The next bar will update. That's why it's saying green. Daily still 2. So next day it will change. That will be red. So it'll be everything will be red. So I thought this would be useful for people. And if you are a Patreon member, you get this as well. I'll get this released today. But I just want to show you how I'm looking at the charts. I'll move this back to the 5 minutes. A lot of, as you see, moves have happened. I'm not willing to jump in. So what I do is I tend to drag them across. So we are looking at Dow US 30, massive move. The problem is once you've sort of gone too far from the red line, both in the 5 minute and 15 minutes, you're way beyond. At some point, it will flick back up. We just don't know when. It could just further drop or just go straight back up. So I'm not really prepared to move or do anything. And I think it's very much the same for quite a lot of the charts. So even though it's moving up, you don't know how far it's going to move. It may move up and touch the line or may continue to go down. Obviously, a big move has happened. You expect it to continue to go down. But yeah, any movements too far away from the color change line, I don't like to touch. You see, this is the ideal scenario where you see it's above here. It's trickling nicely. This is where I like to get in. Or it's trickling down relatively nicely here as well, but not when it's moving too far up. You see these choppy movements can really get you on the wrong side if you're unlucky. DAX, you see what it's nice. It was nice yesterday. Nice move, well not yesterday, but earlier this morning when I was asleep. Nice move downwards. That's the ideal kind of trades. But now we're kind of just shot up and then down again, so nothing smooth about that. But you can see when it's nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. That's when you want to enter. Euro dollar. See, it has been nice and smooth. And then when it turned green, we're looking for buys, but this is not, it's not moving nicely up, is it? It's up and down. So nothing there. Pound yen. Now this one is closer. You see it's green. It's gone down. It's bounced back up. And now we're down here. We're away from that color change. Likewise, from the 5 minutes, we're away. Maybe if I was in further half an hour ago, that would have been a good trade. See it turn green, going red. It's already red here, so it would have been a good trade, but I missed that as well. Don't tend to trade oil, XTI. We can have a look at that. Wouldn't touch that anyway. Nasdaq, once again, too far away from the color change. Or CAD. Now this is short, but look at that choppy. It's too choppy. I want it clean. It's not good enough for me. That's also too choppy. See, this one is nice. It moves like gradually drift down, but now it's kind of sort of moved too far away from the line there. Remember, look for these patterns. Lower lows, low high. So it's low high. So we expect it to go lower and then it'll bounce back up. If it bounces back up again, does something like this, touches the line and goes back down, or starts to go back down, we will jump in. But nothing right now. Bitcoin, that choppiness. Okay, too far from the red line. That's still kind of quite high up, but no, it doesn't look good. These don't conform. Red, that's still green. Aussie dollar, Nope. Okay, no, nothing. I mean, yeah, it's too far, but you can see there's some really nice moves. You see that? What I mean is a gradual move. This one actually does look like it's a gradual on the way down. If it retraces a bit further up here, then I think that could be a good potential to go short. I think maybe USD yen is the best choice here, but it has to move a little bit further down. Possibly a retracement would be a good time to get in, but that's the only one so far that I can see. So sometimes the best trade is no trade. You just have to wait. If you miss it today or this morning, you come back for the US Open. I'm sure we'll see some opportunities, but right now, nothing right that I can see that is worth entering. Just want to sort of show you what I'm looking at to make this work. I hope you found that useful, and the color change dashboard will release that shortly today.